number 3, so the given slope is 4, and the given y-intercept is negative 5. Step 1, write the pattern or the format. So y is equal to mx plus b. Again, to find the equation of a line, just simply substitute the value of the slope and the value of the y-intercept. Then the remaining variables, just bring down po yan. So y is equal to, what is m? 4. Then bring down x. Then what is b? Okay, na dahil negative 5, ang operation magiging minus 5. So therefore, this is already the answer. Okay, so to convert the given slope-intercept to standard, just transpose 4x to the left side. And what will be the sign? Negative 4x. Plus y is equal to negative 5. So since the leading coefficient is negative, always multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. So negative, negative, positive. Negative, positive, negative. Negative, negative, okay, therefore this is the standard form. So the given slope is negative 10, while the given y-intercept is positive 4. Step 1, write the intercept form. So we have y is equal to mx plus b. Then after that, substitute the value of the slope and the y-intercept. So what is the value of the slope? Negative 10, and then bring down x. Then what is b? Okay, positive 4. Kaya ang operation ay addition. So therefore, this is already the answer na po. So in slope-intercept form, now convert your answer to standard form. Transpose what? Negative 10x to the left. What will be the sign of 10x? Magiging positive na po. Then plus y is equal to 4. So this time, kailangan pa ba natin, anak, i-multiply? So kung hindi na, ito na rin po yung standard form niya.